Children, let's move on to the next set of sum problems on sphere. Now, what this particular question says, quite interesting this is. The diameter and thickness of a hollow metal sphere. That's the reason I've written above hollow objects. The diameter and thickness of a hollow metal sphere are 12 centimeter and 0.01 meter respectively. The density of the metal is 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Find the outer area and the mass of the sphere. The moment mass came, I think so there are many who must have figured out, sir, we have to use density is mass upon volume. True, very true. So for that we need to find out volume, right? So there is one question, find the outer area. When they are saying outer area means they are talking about the outer curved surface area. Outer area means the outer curved surface area they are talking about, and the mass of the sphere. But in this particular question, it is being stated that use pi as 3.14. Your pi should be taken as 3.14. Strictly mentioned in the question, take pi as 3.14. So if I were to make a diagram for the same, you know children what the diagram will look like somewhat. If you see the front view will be, there is a hollow sphere. Is it a sphere? Yeah, a hollow sphere. Let me show you the cross-sectional view. If I cut it, how am I going to see? And the inner one, let's start. The diameter and the thickness of a hollow sphere are 12 and 0.01. When they are saying diameter, they are talking about the outer one. Why? Because they have said thickness. So by no means the 12 is going to be for inner one, 12 has to be for outer one. So when I say the diameter is 12, shall I say the outer radius is 6? Thickness is 0.01 meter, mind you. Thickness is 0.01 meter. If I translate, it turns out to 1 centimeter. Can I say the inner radius is outer minus thickness? Inner radius R will be 6 minus 1, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Right? Very first thing is, we'll find out the outer area, that means surface area. If you want to be, categorically saying that, then I will write down and add in this particular question with a different marker so that you understand it's the outer surface area they are talking about. Let's start and understand the sum. What is the sum trying to say? Solution. First, outer radius, capital R, is 6 centimeter. Those who want to write down the outer diameter is 12, therefore the radius, you can go with that also. The thickness is 0.01 meter, 0.01 into 100 centimeter. Since 1 meter is 100 centimeter, answer is 1 centimeter. The inner radius is outer radius minus thickness. Outer radius 6, thickness 1, 5 centimeter. Let me say the inner radius as small r. Right children? Let's first solve their first question. Find the outer surface area. So outer surface area is nothing but, what is the outer surface area? 4 pi r square. Outer surface area is 4 pi r square. 4 pi is 3.14, r square is 36, or you can say 6 square. I'm really sorry. Outer surface area for the capital outer one, so it is capital R. Instead of small r, we are supposed to take capital R. 6 square. 4 into 3.14 into 36. 36 fours are 144 into 3.14. When you multiply 144 into 3.14, the answer what you get, if you multiply 3.14 into 144, the answer what you get is 452.57. 452.57. That's square centimeter. 144 into 3.14, 452.57. Now they have given me density, so I need to find out volume. When I say the thickness is given to me, what shall be the volume? Don't you think so that the metal part will be here? This portion is nothing but the metal part. So how we get the volume of metal? Quite simple, children. Volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere. So can I say directly volume of metal is equals to volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere. What is volume of outer sphere? Sphere 4 by 3. Volume, it's 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Will 4 by 3 pi common? Capital R cube minus small r cube. Capital R known to us, small r known to us. 4 by 3 pi 6 cube minus 5 cube. 4 by 3 pi 3.14. 6 cube 216. 5 cube 125. So 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 216 minus 125 is 91. On multiplying 3.14 with 91 into 4, divide by 3 will give you 380.98. Will give you 380.98 cubic centimeter. Now what next, children? We are not supposed to find out the volume actually. We are supposed to find the mass of the sphere. So do we have something called as density is equals to mass upon volume? Do we have this formula? Indeed. So what is mass? Mass is equals to density into volume. How much is the density given to us? 8.88. How much is the volume? 380.98. So 380.98. When you multiply 8.88 into 380.98, you get answer as 3383.10. 3383.10. Mind you, this will be grams. This is going to be grams. If they happen to ask you the same sum to find it in kg, we simply divide by 1000. If they happen to ask you find mass in kg, simply divide it by 1000. So what was there in this particular sum? Nothing. We just had to understand it was a density mass volume related sum. We found out the outer surface area. We found out the volume, right? Outer minus inner. Density mass upon volume. Use the relation to get the required mass.